In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove a dependent in TurboTax before you file. This walkthrough is for returns that haven't been submitted yet. Making sure your dependents are entered correctly is important because it can affect your filing status, your credits, and your refund. Things like the child tax credit, the credit for other dependents, and the earned income credit are all tied to the dependent information you provide. Start by signing into your TurboTax account and opening your current tax return. If you haven't started one yet, create a new return so you can access your personal details. Give the page a moment to load and make sure your progress is saved as you go. Next, head to the section labeled Personal Info or My Info, depending on the version you're using. This is where TurboTax collects details about you and your household. Once you're there, look for the area that covers your family or dependents. You'll see options to add a dependent or to edit or delete an existing one. If you need to add someone, choose Add a Dependent and follow the on-screen prompts. The software will guide you through questions about their name, relationship to you, date of birth, and their identification number, as well as whether they lived with you and how much support they received. Answer these questions carefully and exactly as they appear on official documents. If a dependent's situation changed, select Edit next to their name and update only what's different. If someone no longer qualifies or was added by mistake, select Delete and confirm the removal. Keep in mind that deleting a dependent will immediately change certain calculations in your return. After you've added, edited, or removed a dependent, continue through the rest of your return. This step is essential because TurboTax will recalculate anything that depends on your household details. Watch for updates to credits like the child tax credit or earned income credit, and to your filing status if applicable, such as head of household. Use the Review or Smart Check feature to catch any missing or inconsistent information and correct anything the software flags. When you're done, save your return. If something doesn't look right, you can always go back to the My Info section and make adjustments. Keep your documentation handy in case the program asks follow-up questions. That's it. By following these steps, you'll ensure your dependent information is accurate and your tax benefits are calculated correctly before you file.